Ever found yourself staring at your phone, a nagging question in your mind, wait, how much money do I actually have in that Rocket account? Or maybe, you're trying to track your spending, figure out where your last paycheck went, or simply want to double-check a recent transaction. We've all been there. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing our finances has become both incredibly convenient and, at times, a little overwhelming. With so many apps, accounts, and digital wallets, it's easy to lose track of where our money is and how to access it. But what if I told you that checking your Rocket account balance, reviewing your transaction history, and managing your financial details doesn't have to be a stressful ordeal? What if you could access all that information with just a few taps or clicks? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're going to break down the process of checking your Rocket account, whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish some context. Rocket, in this scenario, could refer to a few different things. It could be the mobile financial service offered by Dutch Bangla Bank, or it could be related to the Epic Games account and relating to the Rocket League game. Because of this, I will cover some general information regarding digital accounts and also provide information that is generally helpful for the Dutch Bangla Bank Rocket service. Regardless of which Rocket account you are trying to access, the need to verify your account information remains the same. In the digital age, financial security is paramount. Knowing how to correctly access and monitor your account is not just a matter of convenience, it's a crucial step in protecting your hard-earned money. Imagine this, you're planning a weekend getaway, and you need to know if you have enough funds in your Rocket account to cover your expenses. Or perhaps, you've made a recent online purchase, and you want to ensure the transaction went through smoothly. These scenarios highlight the importance of having quick and easy access to your account information. So, how do you actually check your Rocket account? Let's break it down step by step. For mobile financial services, like Dutch Bangla Bank's Rocket. Using the mobile app. The most convenient way to check your account is through the official Rocket mobile app. If you haven't already, download the app from your device's App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your registered mobile number and PIN. Upon successful login, your account balance should be displayed prominently on the home screen. To view your transaction history, navigate to the Transactions or History section within the app. Here, you can see a detailed record of your past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and payments. Using USSD code. For those who prefer not to use the app or have limited internet access, USSD codes provide a quick alternative. Dial the appropriate USSD code, e.g., *322# for Dutch Bangla Bank's Rocket, from your registered mobile number. Follow the on-screen prompts to select the Balance Inquiry or Transaction History option. You will receive your account information via SMS. Contacting customer support. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, you can always contact Rocket's customer support. They can assist you with account inquiries, transaction verification, and any other concerns you may have. General digital account information. Security best practices. Always keep your login credentials, username, password, PIN, confidential. Avoid sharing your account information with anyone, including customer support representatives. Regularly update your password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Be cautious of phishing scams and suspicious emails or messages. Always use official apps and websites. Transaction monitoring. Regularly review your transaction history to identify any unauthorized or suspicious activity. Set up transaction alerts to receive notifications for every transaction made on your account. If you notice any discrepancies, immediately contact customer support. Account maintenance. Keep your account information up to date, including your contact details and personal information. Familiarize yourself with the account's terms and conditions, including any fees or charges. If you are no longer using the account, ensure that you close it properly. Relating to Epic Games and Rocket League. Epic Games account. If your Rocket account refers to your Epic Games account, accessing your information is done through the Epic Games website or the Epic Games launcher. Log in with your Epic Games credentials to view your account details, including linked platforms, purchase history, and settings. When linking platforms, ensure that you understand the terms and conditions relating to how game progress and in-game currency is handled. Rocket League information. Rocket League game progression is tied to your Epic Games account. When in-game, you can view your rank and other information. In-game purchases are also tied to your Epic Games account. In essence, checking your Rocket account is a simple process that can be done through various methods, depending on the service. Whether you're using the mobile app, USSD codes, or contacting customer support, the key is to prioritize security and stay informed about your account activity. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your financial information remains secure and that you have easy access to your account whenever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.